Hi fellows! Today we're diving into how to build an automated trading strategy using volume return signals from the Imbalance Profile Lidar in NinjaTrader 8's Strategy Builder. Get ready. Firstly, head over to the ninza.co store and find the Imbalance Profile Lidar product page. Here, you can explore the NinjaScript signals it offers. The Imbalance Profile Lidar identifies signal trade. 1 means a bullish volume return. -1 means a bearish volume return. Secondly, let's visualize the signals on your chart to help you understand this logic. Open your indicator dialog and add Imbalance Profile Lidar to your chart. You can customize the parameters to better suit your specific needs. In this video, we use the default settings with the resolution mode set to tick. Next, disable the autoscale box. Then, customize the plot color for signal trade in the settings at the bottom. Now right-click on the chart and choose Show Data Box to show the signal value. Look closely. These blue markers represent bearish volume returns value of 1, while the pink markers represent a bullish volume return value of -1. This dynamic visualization will help you set the right conditions in the strategy builder. Now we go to the important part, build your automated strategy. Step 1. Open the Control Center window, click New, and select Strategy Builder. Give your strategy a catchy name like Imbalance Profile Lidar Strategy. Step 2. Navigate to the Additional Data section. Click Add. Check the Use Primary Instrument box to use primary instrument from your chart. Next, select either tick or minute from the type dropdown, which corresponds to the resolution mode you've set in the indicator parameters. Step 3. Move to the Conditions and Actions section to set conditions for both buy and sell. For your buy set, click Add and select Indicator. Look for Imbalance Profile Lidar in the list. Ensure the settings here match what you have on your chart. Finally, select MISC and set the numeric value as necessary. In the Do the Following section, click Add, choose Order Management, and for the buy set, select long order types. For the sell set, choose short order types. If you want to visualize these conditions on the chart, you can add vertical lines. Click Add, select Drawing, and choose Vertical Line. In the tag box, click Set to show the string builder window. Navigate to MISC and select Current Bar. This will draw a line at the bar where your conditions are fulfilled. For your sell conditions, we can duplicate the buy set and adjust the logic and order types for sell conditions. Remember to use different colors for the buy and sell vertical lines to keep everything clear on the chart. Step 4. Configure stops and targets. Head to the Stops and Targets section and input your profit target and stop loss based on your trading strategy. The values shown here are merely for reference, so be sure to analyze the market yourself and select appropriate ratios for your risk management. Now it's time to showcase your automated strategy in action. On the chart, click the Strategies icon at the top or right-click and select Strategies. Add your Imbalance Profile Lidar strategy to the chart and check the Enable box. Before deploying your automated strategy on a live account, it's essential to test it on a demo account first. Now let's see how your automated strategy performs with the Imbalance Profile Lidar indicator. Thank you very much for watching. We wish you great success in your trading with this indicator.